Hi guys, this is a review of the trade which made me $408 in 4 hours. Yeah, it's a bit of a drag considering the time and all, but hey, what can we expect from a Post FOMC Thursday, right? This is not just a scammy little hindsight video. This trade was executed and managed on my YouTube live stream yesterday. I do YouTube live streams every day at 9:30 a.m. New York time. Before jumping on to the video, I just want you guys to leave a like to this video and check out some prop firm discount codes from the description. As soon as the market opened at 9:30 a.m., the price kept on falling down and down. I marked the first presented FVG just for namesake. I wasn't ready to take a trade yet. I waited till 10 a.m. because this is when the new 4-hour candle opens. I realized that the previous 4-hour candle ended up bearish, engulfing one of the previous up-close candles. From then on, I started to look for sells. As soon as the new candle opened, I got a clear-cut rejection from a 15-minute fair value gap. Then, I switched to 1-minute time frame to look for order flow, switched to bearish from the 15-minute PD array. As soon as I confirmed the bearish order flow, I executed my sells. Initially, market was moving sideways, showing its effect of Post FOMC. However, after a while, market decides to break down and go crashing down the hell towards my direction. It was already been 4 hours since the trade was executed, and market close was also up ahead. So I decided to close the trade at 2.2 RR. It's not just 2.2 RR, it was a take profit of 200 handles or 800 ticks. For such amazing trade reviews and live streams, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and check out some prop firm discount codes from the description. Goodbye guys, see you again in another video.
See us going on and off again. Baby, all I really want is only on from now. Every time I see a glimpse of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.